In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a landing page on Mailerlite. We're going to walk through the entire process from inside your Mailerlite account, so you can go from a blank dashboard to a live, shareable landing page in just a few minutes. Once you're logged into Mailerlite, start on your main dashboard. At the top, look for the tab labeled Sites. Click that, and you'll see an option for landing pages. Depending on your version, you might also see a Create Site button. If you do, click that and then choose Landing Page. This is where all your landing pages will live and where you'll create new ones. Next, you'll be asked to start building. Give your landing page a clear, descriptive name. This is mainly for your internal use, so pick something that helps you recognize the page later. You'll also need to select a subscriber group. This is the list where any new signups from this landing page will be added. If you already have groups set up, choose the one that fits your campaign. If not, you can create a new group specifically for this page so your contacts stay organized. After that, it's time to choose a template. Mailerlite offers a variety of pre-designed landing page templates covering common goals like lead magnets, event registrations, or simple newsletters. If you want a head start, choose a template that's close to your goal and plan to customize it. If you prefer full control, select a blank canvas and build everything from scratch. Now you're in the editor. On the left side, you'll see different content blocks you can drag onto your page. Add elements like text, images, forms, and buttons by dragging them into place. Once an element is on the page, click it to customize. You can edit the text, swap out images, adjust colors, change fonts, and update the background to match your brand. Spend a bit of time here so your page feels cohesive and visually clear. Forms are especially important on a landing page. Add a sign-up form block, then configure the fields you need, such as name and email. Keep it simple to encourage more signups. You can also set what happens after someone submits the form, like showing a success message or redirecting them to a thank you page. When your design looks good, move into the settings. Here, you can customize the URL of your landing page so it's easy to recognize. You can also edit the page title, keywords, and meta description. These details help with search engines and make your link look better when it's shared. If you use tracking tools, you can connect integrations like Google Analytics or a Facebook Pixel in this section. This lets you measure performance and track conversions later. Once you're happy with everything, click Done Editing. Take a moment to preview your page and scroll through it as if you were a visitor, checking text, images, and links. If it all looks good, hit Publish to make your landing page live. Mailerlite will give you a unique URL for your new page. Copy that link, and you're ready to share it. You can post it on social media, include it in your emails, add it to your website, or place it anywhere else you want to drive traffic and collect